Joe Singh and I have got a long history of running innovative programmes from the business school for small businesses in the region. And interestingly, the idea for the Pop-Up Primer programme came from two participants on one of those programmes. They had the idea that it would be really, really good to equip small businesses with the skills that were needed to maximise opportunities from taking part in pop-ups.
The programme consisted of a series of interactive practical workshops designed in collaboration with local creative business owners, and that culminated in a pop-up selling event at the Metro Centre in their souk space. The feedback from the programme was overwhelmingly positive, where participants felt that they were in a safe and empowering space where they could step out of their comfort zone and try new things.
It was great working with the university to deliver the photography workshops for the Pop-Up Primer programme. Working alone as a creative or as a small business, you're quite isolated, and it's rather nice sometimes to have someone else to bat ideas against. And as the morning wore on, it was really lovely to see people relax, and they were actually working with each other and helping each other and giving them ideas. And that was something that they wouldn't have had without that. One of the benefits of working with the university on the Pop-Up Primer programme was the fact that I hadn't done any of my workshops for some time, and it got me all inspired to get started again, and I'm now rolling out a whole new programme beginning next month. So I'm really looking forward to that. One of the lovely things that I found about doing the Pop-Up Primer was at the end of each session, when you had people come up to you and say thank you for your help, and that you'd given them a new perspective on how to go forwards or whatever else. It was just so nice to watch them grow and develop their skills a little.
When we run programmes for small businesses, we're very keen to ensure that they spend time working on their business, not just in their business. We try and make sure that their time is really well spent, that the programmes are tailored to them, and they're delivered in a warm and friendly manner, and peer learning is a vital part of that. And subsequently, we have managed to secure funding from the Creative Central Newcastle pilot programme. This time, not just focusing on the pop-ups, but also on online sales, and really in increasing the confidence of creative businesses to put themselves out there and raise their profile